Okay, as you can see here, the whole refurbishing. See? They're working on it. This one. Okay, as you can see here. This is a truck factory in China. Yeah, Sinotruk. Okay. Yeah. They have all the parts, everything like this is engine, the tire. So he's doing this, as you can see. Okay. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐵. So this is the brand new one. Brand new. Install everything as a new. Okay.
During the refurbishment process for used HOWO 371 horsepower dump trucks, Easy Trade Africa strictly use reliable and high quality parts, avoiding inferior components that could affect performance or durability. Our technical team carefully inspects the engine and transmission for wear and replaces severely worn components such as piston rings, valve stem seals, and transmission oil seals, ensuring smooth and reliable powertrain operation. We also conduct thorough inspections of key chassis systems, including the suspension, steering, and braking systems, replacing worn or damaged ball joints, bushing, shock absorbers, and brake pads to improve driving stability and safety.
This is a truck. They are waiting to be refurbished. They have to work on all these trucks to make them like beautiful and ready. See inside there? Here also the radiator. See the radiator. So this one they have to change it. Everything has to be new here. Must be new. So here also. And this, here you can see. Sinotruk. This is the tank, the fuel tank. This is the tank. Strong one. This is the whole tire. Later will be new. Everything you see here, they will change all. Yeah. So here they're making the paint. This is a good one. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜. They're making the paint here. Alright. Making it paint. So here you can see they make the paint here. You see here they put the paint on it. Yeah.
After refurbishment is completed, every truck undergoes a comprehensive final inspection, including road testing and fault code diagnostics to confirm that overall performance meets operational standards. 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐻𝐷 Africa is committed to supplying high quality, reliable, and cost-effective trucks, allowing customers to feel confident and at ease throughout the entire process of purchasing and operating their vehicles.
Whoa. Wow.
In addition, 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐻𝐷 Africa check all electrical components of the used HOWO 6x4 dump trucks, including generators, starters, and batteries, repairing or replacing faulty parts to ensure the electrical system functions correctly. Exterior refurbishment is also carried out professionally with repairs to scratches and dents, followed by full repainting or detailed touch-ups to achieve a clean, uniform finish with consistent color quality. Tire wear is carefully inspected with replacements made when necessary, and wheels are cleaned or replaced to enhance both performance and appearance.
𝐷𝐼𝐿. As you can see here, this is a new one. See, from the old one they reached this level. The old one they reach here. You see? Yeah, this is all refurbished. It's everything well connected. Batteries. See the batteries. You see the new battery. They put this one on it. It's very good one. This one is also new. See, this one also new. Yep, very new. This one is new. This one is new. You can judge by yourself. You see, new one. Exactly. So. This side also. See, very new. It's new idea. This inside is here. This inside, you see how they're working. Okay. So they will finish this one soon. You can see almost done. It is. Here you can see here we have this one. This one also is good. This one is good. This one is good. So here you can see the whole factory. The hydraulic pressure, like hydraulic pump. This is hydraulic pump, if I'm not wrong. And they have some spare parts here. Some spare parts. Here's some spare parts here. See. There are some spare parts here. So this is the whole factory. This is a refurbishing factory. So this is the factory. See here the finish. Here is over. All right. Okay. I'm moving it out to start the job now. So this is one of our trucks, as you can see. So this is one of our trucks. So we ordered 3 trucks with this factory. So they're all in white color. So this one is a good one.这是不是要动一下？对，这个球要动一点。谢谢你啊。Okay guys, we are parking the trucks, as you can see. We're parking, testing everything. Le moteur répond bien quand même. Hein? Oui, le moteur répond bien. Il n'est pas. Tu vois, il répond bien.
Tu vois, il n'y a pas un bruit qui tape.
Ils ont qu'à mettre le numéro, c'est bon.
Ouais, on 11 là.
Et puis c'est bon. Je trouve que les détails sont bien. Okay guys, this is all trucks. 1 and 2. You have a third one coming. So